What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you the 5 best video editing apps for iOS. These apps are very useful and contain a lot of features that will enable you to create videos in a professional way. Alright, the first app we have here is Videolib. Videolib is a fun, powerful video editing app. Discover how fun and easy it is to create high-quality videos with Videolib by Lightricks. Whether you want to make artistic Hollywood-level films or simply share memories and funny moments with friends, Videolib is a breakthrough video editor just for you. You will have fun cutting and combining clips simply, intuitively, and on the go. One of the things that I love about this app is that you can add video effects, sound effects, filters, green screen, and more to create beautiful movies. Alright, the next one is Spice Video Editor. Spice make it easy to create fully customized, professional looking videos on your iPhone or iPad. Just tap to trim clips, add slow motion effects, and overlay multiple clips to create beautiful videos you will love to share. I'm absolutely loving all the new features, especially the fact that I can use the text to make subtitles. That design is sleek and modern. There are more sound effects, I can crop it down to square size for Instagram and more. This is another awesome app that I recommend you guys to give it a try. Alright, the next one is Viva Video. This is my favorite app and I've been using it for more than 5 years. This is one of the best video editors in the world with over 800 million downloads. Everybody can create awesome videos as easy as to take photos with Viva Video. Advanced editing made easy, edit with the frame precision, cut out, scale, and mix up your background in multiple ratios. With this app, you can create professional and beautiful videos. And with the features that this app offers, you will be able to create beautiful effects for your videos. Another awesome app that I recommend you guys to give it a try. Alright, the next one is PowerDirector. PowerDirector, the best full-featured video editor and video maker. Make stunning, high-quality videos like the pros quickly and easily. With a large selection of powerful editing tools that are updated monthly and a simple, intuitive app interface, you will find yourself creating slow-motion videos, slideshows, and even video collages in no time. This app is great for adding visual effects to your videos. The last one we have here is Pluto Video Editor. This is the most funniest app I ever had. It's just so funny. I've been using Pluto for about 2 years. In Pluto, there are large numbers of vintage filters, effects, fancy stickers, original music, and other advanced functions. By the way guys, the rest of your works is suitable for all social media like Instagram or TikTok. I'm not the type of person to rate or review an app, but this app was so good I just had to. Considering the fact that this app was free made it so much better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.